The news in detail. Following a petrol bomb attack on the residence of Deputy Chief Minister Singaw Bhalang Dhar, the state police have beefed up security. An FIR was lodged after the petrol bomb landed at the residence of Dhar at Norman Song. East Khas Hills Superintendent of Police Rituraj Ravi told reporters that security has been provided at the residence of all VIPs and vitals installations following the second such incident this week. Meanwhile, a section of the residents on the Nartyang constituency has condemned the act of throwing a petrol bomb at the residence of Deputy Chief Minister Singaw Bhalang Dhar at Norman Song. Rangbachnong of Sopot village denounced the act as a manifestation of hatred against the legislator.
We are still investigating what that object exactly is, and we will update you once further details emerge in this. So the other incident that you are referring to is about that convoy of NIPCO director, wherein the a burning rag was thrown on the vehicle, which landed on the escort vehicle. However, there were no damage or injury in that. In that case also we have registered the FIR. We are investigating that.
Pagpantao ba kajingle yung namit mas sa panilu kaway ni kita mo kajing nyobay kali kajing mo isawran mo kung kilang sang sang jang nakhan ba kaway bakit yung namit mas ni wala ni lapet yung kadang kusna kung naghatung kini ibalik say nila panong kalalong kung kajing panma yung kajing
bagi dawan juru nanti buat jogaan bagi ban tuat ban kem ni pun kini beriu ban sitom lagi makum kini kam dei ko bah nag betai lang salang berkeri berkerja beriu lagi berapa